What does this arrow here and this one over there have to do with the question whether this is a bull market reversal, whether Bitcoin is set up to explode, or whether this is just another sucker's rally? That being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and we are kind of excited to do today's episode because this is obviously a question everyone is asking right now. So we are trying to answer it, give evidence with some numbers, and maybe even expose the CBOE to a certain degree. So it will be very, very interesting. Make sure you stay here for the whole duration of the video. It will be interesting and not even a long episode. So if you are excited already, make sure you smash up the like button. We are trying to get 500 or 1,000 likes. Liking is completely for free. This content is for free. So this matches really, really nice. So let's get straight into it. In this video here, it was from Mr. Christoph. The video is called Bitcoin has been set up to explode. The CBOE has a hidden agenda for Bitcoin. And we can already tell you, we kind of agreed to his argumentation, even though he had not very strong arguments. He also said that he has no numbers at the moment to back it up. This was still a very good video. You can feel free to watch it or don't watch it, just as you want. But what we want to do in this episode, props to you, Mr. Christoph, we want to add some numbers to back up that argumentation because we really agree to him. We have this kind of strange feeling with the marketplace at the moment, whether there are some powers back, controlling the market. So we want to give some evidence for that. If you're already excited, make sure you smash up the like button. And also, before you watch that content right now, make sure you leave your thoughts already in the comment section down below, and then you can comment your own comment, whether you change your opinion or not. So first of all, before we go into the content, just for 10-20 seconds, we want to thank our sponsor, Forex.io. We had it in the last episode already, and more than 1,000 people signed up. Very cool. They got an airdrop or so, but a lot of people were asking us what is special about that exchange. One of that special features, just for a few seconds, is pooling of masternodes. Obviously, not everyone can afford a Dash masternode or a Pivx masternode or so. So here you can just, put in like $10, $20 and spread your investment throughout different masternodes and pay like a fee. There's some fee attached to it, So this is very nice for diversification. Everyone who wants to check it out, no financial advice, do so. If not, don't do it. Link is in the description down below. Check it out if you want. So now let's go straight into the content. As you know, a few days back, there was a news, and we are taking it here from CNBC, our lovely CNBC. As you know, we love it. No, we don't, but we also don't hate it. They said the CBOE to stop listing Bitcoin futures as interest in crypto trading cools. So this is already the first point, guys. Interest in crypto trading cools. So the first evidence is coming from the crypto to crypto markets, which is not the CBOE or CME markets, but we can see that the exchange volume is going up and up. We don't have to pull up that charts again. Everyone knows that the volume is going up steadily. So now the question is, what about the volume on the CBOE or CME futures? Because if this is not true, if the interest is not cooling, then the question is, why is their press release saying so? So if we go into that article here from the mainstream crypto media CoinDesk, they are saying as of March the 14th, for example, the daily trading volume of CME's futures was reported 4,600. CME is the competitor of the CBOE, which delisted their Bitcoin futures contracts, compared to 2,000 contracts on the CBOE. So first of all, this is only one day. It seems like cherry picking already. Let's check that out. Let's go straight into that numbers. And if we go here, it's the 14th of March, they said. If we go to the 12th of March, for example, we can see that there are 3,500 contracts at that certain day. This is not so much of a difference to 4,600, isn't it? If we now go to January, which was a horrible month for crypto, no, not really interest at all. Let's go to the January the 11th. Oh no, let's go to the Tuesday again. We checked that out before. So 3,200. This was lower. So from January to March, there was an increase. Now let's go to December and check out for another Tuesday or Wednesday. 3,100. So since December, we are also cherry picking, but we are cherry picking more days. 3,100, 3,200, 3,500. So we have an increasing interest, an increasing volume on that certain days. And we checked out more days, and it really goes on like that. And since the market is getting more and more bullish, these numbers would even increase and increase. So what we can see here is an increasing trend. It's not a declining trend, and the difference is not even so big. So why should the CBOE give the CME this monopoly position? I mean, it does not add up. They want to earn money, and they were able to make a lot of money with 2,000 and 3,000 contracts, and now it's 3,500. It makes no sense at all. So if we want to have some reference point, we know that for a fact that in December and even in January, February, they were very happy about their volume. So we have to set things into relation. Let's go back to January 2018 and take another here, 6,800. This is not even the double amount. Maybe there are also some days with 10,000 contracts, okay? But 6,800, this is only the double amount. Bitcoin price has been decreasing, obviously, for a lot, like 85%. But the interest here has been only decreasing for, I don't know, like not even 50%. So this is not too much of a decline. And within the last few months, the trend was positive. So it makes no sense. It does not add up that they are delisting their Bitcoin futures. So what is the reason? They do not want to earn money anymore? No, that's not the reason. So in our opinion, and obviously we can be wrong and we are not really into that conspiracy stuff, but back in the days, they listed it right here, nearly at the top. That was great timing. They made a lot of money with their contracts already with 6,000 or 7,000 a day. They made a lot of money. The bear market came, and now they are delisting it somewhere right here. Okay, and afterwards the market is reacting very positively. So now the question arises, and it's a really legit question. Is that maybe the beginning of the bull market? I mean, maybe it's not. And we at MMCrypto, also with Da Vinci, we discovered that we might have another suckers rally to 4,900 and then bounce back for a final washout. But you have to make yourself, you have to ask yourself a question. What if not? What if this is really the beginning of the bull market? What if there are powers back, we cannot see? Maybe there are institutions just, handing with us or playing with us, and we cannot do anything against it. What if this is the case? Do you really want to stand with 100% of your capital in the sidelines and just wait for that final washout? Or do you want to have everything in place? We can say one thing for 100% certainty. This really seems a little bit dodgy, okay? Also, what the media says here, it's definitely for a certainty, it is not declining. The interest in crypto is not declining. If you go for Bitcoin, obviously on Google Trends, it's declining a bit. But if you look at the volume at the exchanges and also at the CBOE, you know for a certain that headlines are not correct. And this really seems a little bit dodgy. And looking at the past, at the history, at this timing right here and this timing right here, we really can ask that question again, whether this might be even the start of the bull market. Now let's come to our opinion. We still think that the highest probability lies that we might have this suckers rally and then a final washout, because we have to ask ourselves the question, have we learned our lesson? Look at the initial exchange offerings. They are selling out like in seconds and afterwards still making a positive return on investment. It really seems like another hype mania. So really the question is, have we learned our lesson? There are still a lot of overvalued altcoins in the space, but there are really some arguments backing up that this might be maybe even the start of the bull market, especially with those Lightning Network fundamental statistics increasing day by day, 50% network capacity in only 30 days. And in our opinion, the Lightning Network will for sure be one of the drivers of the next bull market. So that being said, let us know in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a bull market reversal, or do you think this is a suckers rally? And also very important, please attach. Do you think that the CBOE and other institutions are just playing with us? We don't want to seem like crazy conspiracy theorists, but please let us know. And also be aware, always when there is greed in the market, it might go on maybe even for a month, for 2 months, but whenever there is greed in the market, you have to be vigilant. So That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other at the next episode of MMCrypto on Friday at 12 p.m. CET. So that being said, smash up the like button and see you at the next episode of MMCrypto. And as always, bye-bye.